Hello everyone. You may be wondering how you can go ahead and add or increase music time to your Snapchat. And let me tell you, the process is fairly easy. It is a little bit of newer feature added, so keep that in mind. So if you are at the super outdated version of Snapchat, I would recommend going into your app store, whether it's an iPhone application store or Google Play Store, and make sure your Snapchat application is updated. Now, what you have to do is go open up your Snapchat application and click on the plus button and tap on the sound showing add music option, or directly tap on the music option shown in the camera screen. Then choose the sound or music you want to be featured on Snapchat. After choosing a sound, simply press and hold the record button and release to stop when you want to. This is how you can increase music time on Snapchat. Thank you so much for watching. Drop down your thoughts or queries if you have any in the comment section, and don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button.